Every household has a nail clipper. I usually only use it to cut my nails and cut the thread. It's a waste of so many hidden functions above. Most people only use it for one purpose from start to finish. Let's talk about practical tricks all at once today. After reading it at home, you can use it immediately. Hello and welcome to my channel. Look closely at this file at the end of the nail clipper. Usually we only use it to polish our nails. Don't underestimate this small piece of it, it's all about it. Wonderful use. One homemade stable mosquito coil holder. The most troublesome thing about ordering mosquito coils in summer. Lost the original bracket. And this broken mosquito coil. There's no way to use it. What a waste. Buying mosquito coil racks online alone costs money and takes up space. In fact, when it is urgent, nail clippers can be turned into a super stable mosquito coil rack at will. Break the pinch at the end of the nail clipper up. It's vertical. Pointed tip of the contact. Just aim at the round hole in the middle of the mosquito coil and insert it. Nail clipper base comes with its own weight. It won't fall over at a touch like the thin original bracket. It can also stand firmly in a ventilated and windy environment. Whether it's a whole plate of mosquito coils, accidentally broken half a mosquito coil, or burn it and leave a short one. The mosquito coil head that is reluctant to throw away, all can be stuck and fixed. You don't have to throw away the broken mosquito coil anymore. Save money and hassle. Magical 20-0 food screwdriver. Easily screw various small screws. Home lid comb small ornament. The screws of glasses and small furniture are often loose. The special small screwdriver will not be taken out with you. There is no way to fix it at all. The file at the end of the nail clipper is made of hard and thick material. Edge leveling. The angle is just right, suitable for small screws. Ordinary one-word screws can be screwed by directly clamping the wrong piece. Small cross screws can also jam the edges. Tighten and loosen. Carry a nail clipper with you. No matter if you go out at home, small items. If the product screw is loose, it can be repaired at any time. You don't have to look for tools. Magic. Use 3 simple signatures, usually repair small things by hand. Need to bend. Thin wire pliers are bulky and inconvenient to hold. It will also clip the wire out of dense indentations. Effect aesthetics. We directly put the thin wire. It is stuck into the round hole at the front end of the nail clipper. Gently exert force with both hands. You can bend the wire into a circle at will. Right angle hooks and other desired shapes. The round hole of the nail clipper has a round and smooth edge. It will not wear out when clamped and bent. Scratched wire surface. The finished wire shape is flat and clean. It is especially easy to use for manual repair of small items. Many people love to eat melon seeds. Old man with bad teeth. Girls who are afraid of yellow and worn front teeth. Always peel melon seeds by hand. Nails sting. Cracked nail. Then we can wipe the nail clippers clean. Then it can be used to eat melon seeds. Just place the melon seeds horizontally. Nail clipper in the middle of the 2 edges. Slight force rotation. The melon seed shell is cracked directly from the middle. Easily pour out whole seeds. No teeth at all. No need to pick hard. You can peel off several at a time. A bowl can be peeled full in minutes. Chasing dramas and eating melon seeds. Worry-free and hand guard. Magical use 5. Now there are many online shopping couriers. What about carton tape? Sticky. Hand tearing is laborious and easy to scratch. There won't be props around at all times. Then the wrong piece at the end of the nail clipper breaks apart and stands up. With the spiky end of the piece. Align the gap of the courier tape. 1 stroke. The tape disconnects instantly. The carton seal is easily opened. Compact and portable. You can take it out and use it at will when you pick up the courier. Won't scratch your fingers. You don't have to look for scissors. Magic 6 Easy Dial Tool Glass Wire Insulation. The outer skin of the short line charging cable for small household appliances at home is aging. The outer insulation needs to be stripped off. Leather wiring is difficult to operate without professional wire strippers. Then we can be like this. Let's take the nail clippers apart first. It's easy to remove. Place the wire inside the edge of the nail clipper. Gently clamp the outer skin of the wire. Rotate to open. Strength control. Do not cut the copper wire inside. Spin the wire gently with both hands. Pull out. The outer plastic insulating skin can be completely peeled off. Desk lamp, small electrical appliance, fine wire, super fit. Temporary wiring. No need to buy additional tools. And then we put it back together. The nail clippers are still the same, flexible and easy to use. The nail clipper has become dull after being used for a long time. It's hard to cut nail cards. It's a pity to lose it. In fact, a waste can be easily polished. Restore sharpness. Take scissors and cut off a small piece of aluminum skin from the can. Be careful with the operation. Don't hurt yourself. Take the aluminum skin. Repeatedly cut the aluminum skin back and forth with the edge of the nail clipper. Cut dozens more times evenly on the left and right sides of the knife edge. The surface of the aluminum skin of the can has fine matte particles. Moderate hardness. Will not damage the knife edge. Steel color. Repeated shear friction. It can polish off the burrs that are passivated on the knife edge. Easily reapply blunt nail clippers. Sharp recycling without waste. A small nail clipper. 6 practical tips for life. Simple grounding. It's available in every household. I really want to know where you are from in front of the screen. Welcome to leave a message and share in the comment area. To meet friends from all over the world again. It's an amazing thing. If my sharing is helpful to you, click the subscribe button. There will be more practical tips waiting for you to unlock in the future. I am Yang Yang. I wish you all a happy meal. Life is refreshing. See you next time.